0. 7. 0.
So stop playing with me. Who gave me a 0 for? Cause we can box right now.
You got kids, then that's gonna make you a negative 10.
We pop out at your party. I'm with the gang, and it's gonna be a rock.
Man, she say she's from Sugarland. I'm gonna skip the first one cause I gotta rum up with my Gatorade. Her name Shan. Hello?
Hi.
So what you doing, shorty?
Nothing much.
Hey, rate me 1 through 10.
Huh?
Rate me 1 through 10.
10.
You said 10? On me, you is too good looking, folks. Bro, she said 10. I told you I'm getting straight 8, 9, and 10s. Nothing below that. She from California. Hello?
Hey, let me see your waves.
So they swimming, you gonna drown in this bitch?
Oh my God! Stop your fucking lying.
Hello?
Oh, I like your do-rag.
I mean, I like your do-rag too.
I want to get a do-rag, actually.
So rate me 1 through 10.
What?
Rate me 1 through 10. Bro, she know she hurt me the first time. So rate me 1 through 10.
You want me to rate you 1 through 10?
Yeah.
I'll give you 7.
What?
Did she say 7 to 57? I couldn't hear, bro. Hey, rate me 1 through 10 real quick.
0. 7. 0.
So stop playing with me. Who gave me a 0 for? Cause we can box right now.
You got kids, then that's gonna make you a negative 10.
Oh, get the fuck out of here! I will not fucking care!
Hi.
So it's not good to drink Pepsi. So rate me 1 through 10.
8.
8. That's decent to 8. Like 8. Decent. Yo.
Yo.
So what you doing, baby?
I'm doing nothing. What you doing?
You know, rate me 1 through 10 real quick.
I'll give you an
8 point what?
8.
I tried to finesse a decimal out of her. She gave me a solid 8. I got an 8, 8, and a 10. Hello?
Hi.
So rate me 1 through 10 real quick.
7.
7 point what? 7.5?
7.5.
Yeah. I ain't messing with that 7.5. She wasn't even in the camera. Hello?
Hi.
So rate me 1 through 10 real quick.
No, thank you.
So what you mean? So rate me 1 through 10. That's all you gotta do. Rate me 1 through 10. For nobody told you to do nothing, no. But rate me 1 through 10. They be playing with me, bro. They be playing. Her stuff say ugly. Like, you know, I say ugly, bro. And she gonna skip me. That's the first skip of the day. Where she from? Indiana. Skip me again, huh? I see how it is. It's from Alabama. Hello?
Hey.
So what you doing, shorty?
Nothing. What about you?
Nah, rate me 1 through 10 real quick.
About 8.
8 point what?
Just 8.
Just an 8? Nah, she gave me just an 8, bro. She didn't give me no 0.5, 7, 6. She just said 8. Yo.
Hi, Jay.
So rate me 1 through 10 real quick. Rate me 1 through 10 real quick. Ooh, she lucky she wasn't on the camera. She lucky she wasn't on the camera. Her name, bro, she finna skip me, bro. Oh my God, bro. Yo.
Hi.
So rate me 1 through 10 real quick.
Okay. 5.
You said 5. She gave me a 5. Yo. So rate me 1 through 10 real quick.
What?
Rate me 1 through 10 real quick.
10.
Ooh, I got that 10. I got that 10. I got that 10. I told y'all I'm a 10. Yo. For rate me 1 through 10 real quick, shorty.
Damn, Mari.
So
I got you. 7.
7. Yo.
Hello?
Fo, come pick me up real quick.
Okay, I will. Where you live?
I live on
What's your
Sesame
destination?
Street.
Oh, 15th Street? Okay. On what?
Well, I said Sesame Street. She said it's on 15th Street. Maggie.
Like,
Yo.
damn! You fine, bro. Wave
Fuck.
chat.
Fo, rate me 1
Wave
through
chat,
10.
dude. Fucking 11, bro. Let's do this.
11.
Yeah.
On me. Hey, get on the camera.
Fuck, why'd I have time? But yeah, I'm just calling everybody fine on here.
Fo, get on the camera, fo.
No, I got face mask on and I just woke up.
Yeah, you know you been woke up. You did not just wake up.
No, I woke up like 20 minutes ago.
You did not go to sleep on time.
Yeah, no, it's like 12.
Stop talking to me, man. Rate me 1 through 10 and leave. Yo.
What up, boy?
What's that? That's a microphone, folks?
Hell yeah.
On me, not me. You finna perform?
Add time.
You take a bar?
You finna perform real quick?
Y'all know the farm? You might want to perform.
How do you know when you love someone? And
Before y'all gotta rate me 1 through 10.
a 10. 10.
A 10.
Now rate us 1 through 10. Hey. Except for the nigga in the back.
True. Y'all both a 9.5. You feel me? So where y'all from?
Detroit.
Bro, I said where they from in love. I said where they from in love, bro. That's Avi. Yo.
So, I put drugs healthy sugar.
Hey, rate me 1 through 10.
That's a lot of sugar.
For rate me.
Don't touch it.
Bro, why they not listening, bro? If you they on monkey, but they ain't paying attention. Her name Miller. Hello. Yo,
I don't want to ever eat. What?
rate me 1 through 10 real quick.
-7.
-7. We boss. Let me get the glove. You know when you love. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
For why y'all tweaking with me, folks? Hey, rate me 1 through 10.
8.
8 point what?
8.7.
8.7. That's decent. Bro, they not saying nothing. Hello?
Hello, what's up?
Hey, rate me 1 through 10 real quick.
What?
Rate me 1 through 10 real quick, shorty.
Oh boy, you was straight 12. Oh, I'm sorry.
12.
Oh my god, I gotta go.
I don't know if she was playing for real. I don't know what she was doing. Yo.
Hi.
For rate me 1 through 10.
8.
8 point what? I think she said 0.5. Her stuff is lagging, but she gave me an 8, you feel me? And I finessed the 0.5 out of her. Shorty from Florida. I already know she...
We pop out at your party. I'm with the gang, and it's gonna be a robbery.